Trilevel, how to play. The object of the game is to get the most points by making ascending and descending staircases of pieces. Lay out the board and each player picks a color and takes the corresponding pieces. The youngest player goes first, then turns alternate. On your turn, place any one of your pieces in any empty space on the board. Then your opponent goes. You are not allowed to move or remove a piece once it has been placed. Once the board is filled and there are no more available spaces, the game ends and you score points. You score 1 point for each staircase you have in every row and column on the board. A staircase is 3 pieces of the same color in ascending or descending size, which are all adjacent to each other in a straight line, with no other piece in between. Diagonal staircases do not count. Staircases can overlap other staircases by 1 piece. Count up each row and column, and the player with the most points wins.